Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hamdan wa syukronillah ma ba'du. My name is Ahmad Reza Rifani and my student number is 20180510 Uh, Here I would like to present a study on student perception of human trafficking around the world. Okay, okay in this first part, which is introduction. Uh, the introduction here is divided into several parts. The first is context. Here is my background in choosing this study because human trafficking is a criminal criminal act that violates human rights. This is because many people don't know what human trafficking is, so they can be deceived by the perpetrators and eventually they become slaves, or what is worse, their organs are sold. Okay, second issue. According to data provided by the United Nations of Office United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, it is said that in almost every country there are cases of human trafficking, both developed and developing countries, in which the difference only that uh, the rate of the case that um, occur in several different countries is high and some is low. There are several scientific papers that discuss this case of human trafficking, but have been many scientific papers discussing human trafficking case. They still have to be explored further. And the third is gap, that understanding of human trafficking. After several journals discussing human trafficking were published, the community should know about this case because human trafficking still occurs throughout the world. This is happens because of the lack of education, which makes people to have to be more careful because human trafficking has a mode that is always new in every era. The public must know what are the factors that cause this prevalence of case and how to prevent them in order to re- reduce the number of cases of human trafficking around worldwide. Uh, okay, research goal, that is first the public must know about human trafficking. Second, the public must know the factor about human trafficking. And last, the public must know the modes that the perpetrator and does and how to prevent it. Uh, Next research question. First, what are perception of the student on the factor cause human trafficking? What are the perception of the student on United Nations action in resolve human trafficking? Okay, next literature review. First, definition of human trafficking. Human trafficking is a crime that involves kidnapping the victim in various ways, which is are for sale or other. Human trafficking is usually carried out internationally by certain individuals. These crimes often occur in developing countries that the lacks of knowledge. Uh, Next is history. The history of human trafficking has actually occurred since ancient times during the era of feudalism. However, the system is somewhat different, with which was which was which was it was uh, ancient when it was ancient when on one group conquered another group, then other group will be assaulted because they have a power. Uh, the system when which mean that human trafficking doesn't have to fund conquest, come but anyone can become a victim of human trafficking if he is not aware about it. uh, in the way the perpetrator kidnapped the victim the victim in the current era, many ways have been used to seek out victims of human trafficking. The most common thing is fraud, namely offering jobs to victims with the lure of high salary. It could even be that the victim was immediately kidnapped, and in Indonesia itself usually use hypnosis techniques that will leave the victim without control over himself. Next, the purpose of carrying out human trafficking. The first is because of money. The buying and selling price of human can be said to be fantastic and is lucrative business because that is why criminal acts occur. In addition, the victims who are sold can be used as slave labor or sex. They can also be killed and their organs such as eyes, kidneys, lungs, and so on are sold. Okay, next sample case of human trafficking. The first case in Indonesia was named Jingga case, which is a woman aged 20 from Tangerang who is lured, lured to work in the Middle East with a salary of 5 million per month. Upon hearing this, Jingga was immediately interested because given his poor economic condition, she finally accepted the offer, but there she was tortured, raped, and humiliated. However, in the end, this case was revealed by the police headquarters. The police headquarters saying that this was the biggest case they had ever disclosed. And second is Russian girls and in Russia. Uh, this this crime is happened in Russia by by a 6 years old Russian teenager who almost become a sex slave, but was rescued by a detective. She was trapped when she wanted to sell his virginity for 5,000 US dollar. However, when the perpetrator was questioned, he said he had no intention of paying the teenager. Okay, next research methods. Research method uh, is quantitative methods. This study will use a quantitative method that distribute a questionnaire to find out how student perspective on factor and how to prevent human trafficking. Okay, and second participant, at least 25 people from student of class uh, first semester until 8th semester in all major research instrument. Here I will use Google Form Service. And next procedure, this Google Form Service will spread on several social media like Line, WhatsApp, Telegram, or other. Uh, and data analysis, we are using the features provided by Google Form. Next, result. Next, I will present the result taken from several students. Okay, list of participants. Here there are 28 students whose names can be seen on the screen, and they are also divided by 26 from 2018 generation, one student from 2016 generation, and one from 2019 student. Okay. In first question, do you agree that poverty low levels of education, and lack of employment are the biggest factor that cause human trafficking? In the pie chart that we have seen, which asks about, do you agree that poverty, low levels, education, and lack of employment are the biggest factor that cause human trafficking? On that question, 68% of students choose to agree, to 21% strongly agree, and 11% don't agree. From this data, almost half of the participants agree. Okay, second question. Do you agree that hypnosis, the lure of work, and kidnapping by means of violence the are the most usually used by the perpetrator in finding victim? Uh, the chart we can see in this screen that show 89% student are agree, 7% strongly agree, and 1% disagree. Okay, the third question is about, do you agree that there is a lack of counseling related to human trafficking that occurs around the world? In this chart, it is stated that 61% of the participant choose to agree. 32% of students choosing strongly agree, and 7% student choose don't agree. Uh, fourth question. Do you agree that there should be counseling on how prevent hypnosis? On this pie chart, 61 61% agree, 36 strongly agree, and 3 disagree. Uh, Five question is about, do you agree that the United Nations is still lacking in overcoming human trafficking in the world. In this pie chart, do you the participant 68% agree, 21 strongly agree, and 11 don't agree. Okay, that from the result that I have choose. Next discussion. From the result above, it can be concluded that the student agree with the factor that cause human trafficking and also some of the methods the preparation take in finding victim. In addition, students also agreed that and strongly agree that the education related to human trafficking was still lacking as a result. There were still many victims that who were trapped by the seduction of human traffickers, especially people in rural areas who's in uh, isolated area who still lacked knowledge. In addition, students also agreed that there was a need for counseling regarding how to avoid hypnosis because as we know in Indonesia, many victims are trapped due to hypnosis. In the case of human trafficking around the world, uh, and the UN also needs special handling because it is a world organization which must maintain the stability and security that of the world here of the world. Here, students also agreed that the UN's role is still lacking in carrying out its duties in handling in handling human trafficking case. The result of this study are also in accordance with other studies that conducted research among Indonesian citizens, where this factor is a factor public ignorance regarding human trafficking due to the absence of knowledge given regarding the action of the perpetrators in carrying out the action and also the minimal employment opportunities in the study. It was also stated that people who were kidnapped would be implied to be employed or to become sex slaves. Meanwhile, according to the result of other research on the role of the UN, where the result where many students agreed that there was a little effort from the UN in handling case in the world. However, uh, from the result of the study, UN has made several efforts, especially in Indonesia, such as assisting the Indonesian government in making legal instruments related to human trafficking and working with the government and the police in conducting surveillance in Indonesian territory. From this data, importance of counseling related to human trafficking, especially in isolated area, is often targeted by human trafficking in carrying out their action. In addition, the community must also be able to understand and order hypnosis because hypnosis is one of the ways perpetrator takes the victim. The United Nations must also move on uh, this both in monitoring or preventive measures related to human trafficking case because the mobilization in this kidnapping uh, through several countries therefore must be emphasized again on countries to tighten the entry route or for foreigners to their country because this human trafficking case is one of heinous violence of human rights and must be resolved immediately so that human rights are granted is safety. Okay, the last conclusion. Human trafficking is a crime that violates human rights. The survey conducted involved to 20 ex-students from various generations. Almost all participants choose to agree on each question. The punishment that must be given must be heavier so as to deter the perpetrators who do this. But one important thing is that the government must also be fair in not cooperating in doing business that doesn't respect human rights. Okay, maybe this is only from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.